everybody, and welcome to another educational video about screen printing by Catspit Productions. My name is Jonathan, I'm your host, and today's just a quick video on a little hack that I'm trying to see if it'll work well. Alright, but before I go on, remember that I do sell screen printing equipment and supplies at Catspit, screenprintsupply.com, and of course, subscribe to the YouTube videos, my YouTube channel, subscribe if you enjoy the videos. Alright? Now, today, so this is something I've been wanting to do a long time, and the whole thing that made me think of it is when I teach, okay? When I teach people how to screen print here in the Phoenix shop, we use the scoop coater, of course, right? And when we're done, we have to clean up from, teaching coating screens, and I have to rinse the scoop coater really well. And it's two things. It uses a lot of water, and it takes a couple minutes, right? So I thought if I had a little tank to dip this in with water, that I could put it in there and then continue with the student or students and then come back and rinse this off later. So what I thought of doing is taking a PVC pipe and capping it with the glue, right? And then filling it with water, and then we put the scoop coater in here after we scrape out the emulsion. So these are really easy to put together. I got this stuff at Home Depot. This was like 10 bucks. I don't know, this was like $3 or $4 maybe. And then I had the glue, so I'm not sure you have to buy the glue if you don't have it. Okay, so I'm gonna slap this together and then we'll let it cure or dry. I forget if this stuff is instant, whatever. I'll read the label and then we'll fill it and see how it works. But it does fit. This is 4-inch, I believe. So this is 4-inch PVC tubing with a 4-inch cap. Okay, so let's put it together. Okay, so they're still doing construction outside, and my neighbors are doing something today. I don't know, but and also I have no idea how to use this stuff really. I forget. I read the label, but so you got to use this PVC glue, and this is like a primer or something. I don't even know really. And I think you're supposed to do it on both sides. Not sure, so don't laugh because I'm not a plumber or whatever. But the stuff glues pretty easily as from what I remember. And hopefully my stuff is still good too, because to tell you the truth, it might be old. So hopefully this is gonna work. Otherwise, I'm gonna have to try again. All right, so that's all I'm doing is gluing an end cap on here. I'm gonna try to, because I want this to be watertight. So I think my glue is really old. I hope it works. I think it's like almost dried up or something. All right, let's try it. Okay, so that's it. We're gonna push it on. I'll set it on the floor and push it down a little bit, and then, excuse me, and then hopefully it works. I have to admit, this stuff is probably really old, and I'll look on here to see how long it takes. As I remember, it's pretty quick, but I don't know. Again, don't laugh because I'm not a plumber. All right, so let's check this out. All right, so I think I'm gonna have mine something like this near my washout booth. Don't look at the mess. It's a mess. It's got to be mopped and cleaned up. I have a lot of cleanup to do. All right, so the idea is what I would do is I'll drop this in here, and I'm gonna see. I think I can reach my hand in there and get it, but I would drop it in here, and then I'm gonna fill it with water. Okay, so then when I'm done coating screens, I can just drop it in here, scoop out all the emulsion into the bucket and everything, of course, and then just come over here and drop it in here and submerge it in water so that the emulsion won't dry, and it should actually start dissolving and kind of settling at the bottom. So you'd have to rinse this thing out every now and then. So I just have a little zip tie around it loosely to keep it from tipping over when it's filled with water. Okay, so that's the idea. you know? And no, don't ask me how long it is. I forget what it said at Home Depot. I'd have to measure it. But it was a pre-cut piece for 10 bucks. Like I said, $9 and change. And this is the whole idea, right? You got it? Okay, that's it for today. I did do a dry run to see if I could grab it because it's pretty deep, right? So I put it in and tried to pull it out, but I couldn't really do it. So you might want to trim yours so that you can, or you know, make a little wire hook out of a hanger or something possibly. That's probably what I'll do right now because I don't think I have the right blade, any blades to cut that at the moment. So, all right, so make sure you subscribe to the YouTube channel because I'll give you an update on this. It's a work in progress, and I'll let you know how it works out. I think it should work good, you know. If you try it yourself, come back to the video and leave a comment and let us know how it works out. But I thought it would be a way to, number one, reduce the amount of water taken to clean the scope coater and also reduce the time and allow you to free up, you know, go move on to something else right away. So pretty cool, all right? Lots of noise today. So that's it for today. Thanks a lot for watching. Check out Catspit, screenprintsupply.com if you need screen printing equipment or supplies. And again, make sure to subscribe to the YouTube channel. Thanks for watching. See you next time.
Wow!